around my neck. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car. Wherever I choose to go, it will take me far.